Alright, we're back onto this easy chill garbage that shouldn't even be allowed to be on the market anymore, with its 3 ounces of bullshit inside of it, where just the quantity of the extra liquids they have in here meet or exceed the total gross oil charge capacity of most of all modern day systems nowadays. So this has no place being sold anymore. And the pieces of shit who actually market and sell this stuff should be banned from the automotive business. So here we are on the next video of me hooking up the sightglass indicator. As you can see, it's almost clear. And what I did was I fed clean, dry, fresh refrigerant into my cylinder, shook it up and down. See, I'll shut it off here. I have it trapped in the cylinder. And let's turn on, I have this open. This is my waste container. So basically I'm taking clean, dry refrigerant to clean out this line. And so we could use this on this vehicle so I could show you more. So let me turn this on here. Let's open this up. You can see it flashing off. So now it's empty. Now I'm going to open it up for a little bit. You see it shooting in there. Now it's off. So it's cleaning out the system right now. So I wanted to clean this all out so I could use it on this vehicle, because this has different oils inside. And it has a little filter right there for particulate to stop particulate. Now look, you see what's in there? You see that residue in there? That is from, whether it's this sealant or another one, because this has stop leak sealant, that's a residue from some sort of sealant somebody's car had in their system that I got in here, and it's turned into a solid. So this shit gets inside of people's vehicles depending on what company manufactures liquid chemical they use to seal. So let me hook this up. We'll do another video and I'll get this hooked up in line in the vehicle, and we're going to look at the refrigerant in this vehicle before I recover it. So first we're going to take a nice view of the refrigerant in a larger sight glass before I recover it out. And we're going to weigh what comes out. Because remember, let's see, it's still right. 173 psi on the high side. 72 degrees suction. And he just came back from a shop who told him he overcharged the system and they bled some of the refrigerant off trying to make it work, and it still doesn't work right. Well, something tells me it's still a bit overcharged. Plus I know it's really overcharged in lubricant. Grotesquely overcharged. And so I'll hook this up and we'll get back onto another video on looking at the refrigerant a little more clear. Well, no, actually it won't be clear.